Let's make a chicken dish today. I'm going to use some frozen broccoli, a little bit of whipping cream, some white wine, but that's optional. Don't have to use that. Some minute rice, seasoned salt, ground mustard, cream of chicken, soup, some cheddar, cheese, and one huge chicken breast that you just saw. And let's get started. I'm going to take my 12-ounce package of broccoli and I'm going to blanch it. I blanched my broccoli for 5 minutes. I did put salt in my blanching water. I'm going to put it in here to keep in ice water to keep the nice color. I've been heating up this pan. I want to add a tablespoon of olive oil. It's just a everyday olive oil, and a tablespoon of butter. We'll add our chicken. You can slice the chicken like I have, kind of into little fillets, or you can do strips. They've been sitting for a while. I did salt them with the seasoned salt, so they should be fully seasoned. We'll let these cook. It's been about a minute and a half. I'm going to turn them over. I don't want to overcook these. It's been 2 minutes since I turned them over, and they're pretty much done. Not all the way, but pretty much. Take them out. This is that one chicken breast I showed you at the start. This is enough for 2 good appetites. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the white wine, but you can skip this. I'm going to add, this is the cream and water. Half a cup of cream, half a cup of water. Mustard powder, a half a teaspoon. And a cream of chicken soup. We just want to get this going. I've got that stirred up and it's just come to a boil. I want to add the rice, that minute rice. It's 1.5 cups. Stir that in. And stir in the broccoli. Put the chicken back in. I'm going to turn the heat off. You just want to make sure your chicken is done. But I sliced it so thin that it is just perfect cooking this way. I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. This is mild cheese. You can use whatever you like, really. Some Swiss would be great as well. Put a lid on it and let it sit for 5-6 minutes. Try it. It smells wonderful. It's all in one dish with rice and broccoli. It's wonderful. It's so good. So good, so nice. Not too hard to make. And thank you so much for watching.